Got one.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Next couple days I'll be on the hunt for big reds. Let's go.
Oh, I got something big. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, that's huge. I don't know what that is. Holy crap. Feels like a black drum. Holy crap. Whatever it is, it's digging. Oh, huge red. Huge red. Oh man, this thing's a monster. Whoa, huge redfish. Oh no, no. Woo. This guy's huge. I think he's giving up now. I think he's there. Yeah, he's gonna give up. Fuck, give up. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. He's huge. Okay, okay, buddy. That's all right. Oh, look at that, y'all. Woo. That's a big old red. Man, that thing is beautiful. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna get him off. Get him back in the water. Look at that thing. He is huge. All right, buddy, we're getting you back in the water. All right, it's okay. All right. Oh, he's still got fight in him. Hey, here he goes. Swimming off for another day. Whew. If you're wondering what I caught him on, I caught him on a Florida Fishing Products. This is a Bahia reel on a kicker crab in the sexy penny color, and on a 1/8 ounce death grip jig. That's a heck of a way to start the day off right there. I'm not even 100 yards from the boat ramp, y'all, and caught that fish. Amazing. What I did here is I started casting into this canal that goes up. It's a dead ends, but this canal mouth, I was just throwing it up in there, and that's what he just hammered it. Well, let's see if we can't throw up in there and get another one, y'all. I needed that redfish right there. Oh, that was a good redfish, y'all. That makes me happy. I'm like, I get deer fever every time I catch one, man. Whew. Ain't nothing like a big old red. How's it going, y'all?
You want to get him?
I'm gonna get them. I already got one.
You already got one?
Yeah, big old red.
Yes, sir.
I like this layout of this boat. It has got tons of room up there. I mean, it's just loving it. Another thing with this kicker crab is you can skip it too. Great under the dock bait too. You can just skip it, and that smooth bottom of it is just right up underneath the dock. Got one. Fish on. There we go. Another red. There we go. Oh, man. Nice red. Heck yeah, y'all. He was right on that oyster bar. Oh. Hold on there, buddy. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Get you untangled. Here, caught him on that TroutTrick red bone. Nice looking little red. Pretty. Nice spot on his tail. There you are. I'm gonna let him go. Whoa. Let go of that a little too soon. Ooh, got something. I wonder what I got here. Yeah, it's a fish. Definitely. Oh, awesome. Got a trout. Oh, there we go. There we go. Awesome. There we go. Nice good trout on the TroutTrick. Nice good trout on the TroutTrick. We'll let him go. There you go, buddy. Off for another day. Ah, shoot. That wasn't good. I forgot that rod was there. Oh, got one. Fish on. Awesome. Oh, yeah, that's a nice red. Fish on. He's cold too. Oh yeah. There we go, buddy. Oh, he's a nice one. Come here, buddy. Make sure I don't. There we go. Get that ready. There he is, right there. Nice red. I know I've seen him pushing. Oh yeah, he's nice. He's still got a lot of fight in him. There we go. Oh man, he's under the boat. Man, I got him. Woohoo, man. Oh boy, he's a good one. That's a good red right there. Oh y'all, this is a nice fish here. Let's go ahead and get this rod out of the way. There we go. Come here, big guy. Oh, this is bigger than yesterday, I think. He's a fat joker too now. He's got some weight to him. There we go. All right. Look at that red, y'all. Woo, man. Hold on there, buddy. Hold on. Man, that's a nice red. Whew. Look at him. One spot. Nice one. I'm gonna go ahead and put him back. Yep, swimming off. All right. See, I caught him on the kicker crab in the sexy penny color. Hope y'all can see that. 1/8 ounce jig head. All right. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, man. That right there is makes for a good day. What I'm gonna do, see there's some oyster bars here. I'm gonna kind of circle around and fish that area just a little bit better than what I did there. I'm gonna do a long way and hit that one more time. We got one. Oh yeah. There we go. Redeem myself, y'all. There we go. Nice little red. All right. I've been struggling all day today, y'all. That one just makes it worth it. That right there. Got a little spot on him. Nice little fish. Caught him on the Salty Ned in the new penny color. I think there's another one up here.
That's going to do it for this trip. 2 days, 2 big reds, and a solid mix of marsh/canal fish. If this helped you at all, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. TroutTrick, kicker crab, or Salty Ned? What would you throw first? I'll see y'all on the next one.